Want to hear some exciting news? After doing my first game jam a month or so ago, I fell in love with it. It was amazing. I got so excited that I wanted to host my very own VR game jam, and I got some support from another YouTuber you may have heard of, Dinesh, who also is super into the VR AR space. We are going to co-host a VR game jam called the VR Super Jam, and it's going to be on itch.io. We are giving out over $1,000 worth of prizes, so it's well worth your time. It's going to be a weekend, and it's going to be super fun. The dates are going to be Friday, October 22nd through the 24th, so you'll have 72 hours to do this jam. We are highly encouraging teams, and it's going to be super fun. It's VR focused, VR only, and it's going to be fun. So sign up on the link down below, and check out Dinesh's channel too if you're interested in learning more VR stuff. Get a little caught up before the game jam. I'm going to be doing more jam content in the near future to help you guys get prepared. Me and Dinesh may even do a live stream and answer your questions. So hit the bell notification to stay up to date with the latest updates, and I look forward to seeing all of your games.